Friends, one of the things that is a must in Iran is to come and visit a family to have a homemade meal. Iranian food is amazing anywhere, but homemade is another level. And here we have amazing hosts that make all of this to us, and it's just the best experience. You have to do it.
Imagine a symphony of flavors dancing on your tongue, awakening your senses. This is the magic of Iranian cuisine. A mosaic of diverse flavors, unique ingredients, and a rich history, Iranian food is a sensory journey into the heart of Persia. Now, imagine being a part of this rich culinary tradition, cooking and dining with an Iranian family. Walk into a warm, welcoming Iranian home. The aroma of spices and herbs fills the air. Here, you're not just a visitor, but a cherished guest, learning to cook traditional dishes, sharing laughter and stories over a meal. This is an experience that transcends the usual tourist trail, a genuine taste of Iranian life. With Iran Savor Travel, this immersive culinary experience can be yours. We're dedicated to crafting authentic, immersive journeys that go beyond the typical sightseeing. Experience Iranian culture through its rich cuisine, cooked and shared with a local family. Embark on a culinary journey with Iran Savor Travel and savor the true essence of Iran.